Hi guys, Sharon Rowley from MomOf6.com. Have you been wondering, what can I do with the kids this summer? Maybe you're dreaming of a summer where the kids aren't bored, you're actually relaxed, and you really are enjoying the time that you have off with your family. Well, I've got 10 great ideas to make this summer your family's best summer ever. Idea number one, plan something big. And by big, I don't mean some huge exotic trip to somewhere on the other side of the globe. Just think about something that would be big to your kids. So if it would rock their world to go to a Major League Baseball game this summer, then do it. Get outdoors in a new way. Head to a park in another town that you've never visited before and try a hike there. Never gone geocaching? Well, then grab your phone, download the app, and give it a try. Make a mess in the kitchen. Kids love to get involved in the kitchen, and a great way to teach your kids how to cook is by using the Kids Cook Real Food program. I'll include links in the description below. Get all crafty. I love to create things with my kids, but during the school year, it's nearly impossible to set aside the time to do this. Summer is the perfect time to tackle a few of those craft ideas from your Pinterest boards. Tackle something new. I always say that summer is the perfect time to set some goals for the kids. It's the time when our kids have learned to ride their bikes without training wheels, learned to tie their shoes on their own, even learned to ride a skateboard over a jump. Set some limits. You'll want to set some guidelines and expectations for your kids up front. Otherwise, you're going to spend too much time asking them to turn off the TV or video games, do their summer reading, and get their chores done. And you want to have fun this summer. You don't want to spend your days nagging. Embrace your inner child. Throw an after-dinner dance party in the family room. Establish a family game night. Snuggle in to watch 7 of the greatest Disney princess movies each night in 1 week. Read a book series together. Find a book series that the entire family would love, and then plan some time after dinner each night to read a chapter or 2. And be sure to recharge your own batteries. I say this all the time. You have to make time for yourself too. If you want to stay upbeat and focused on your family, then you need to make sure that you have enough downtime too. Do something fun and unexpected. Serve dessert before the meal. Take a rainy day and declare it an electronics free-for-all and let them play their video games until their fingers fall off. Do something that would surprise and delight the kids. You will be their hero. So do you have any great ideas for summer that you'd like to add to this list? If so, please leave a comment below and share them with us. And please stop by MomOf6.com, where you can get great ideas on how busy moms can get more organized, throw great birthday parties at home for their kids, have a fun DIY summer camp at home experience, and take really fun family road trips. I'll see you soon.